Okay, this is unboxing. This is a great game to play with your kids. Battle of the Star Armies, Robogear. It's called Robogear. And basically what it is, it's a Russian game, but it was adapted for America with your American instructions and all that. You basically put these machines together. It's against machines and your combat guys. These are the machines. This is the werewolf, and basically it's a snap together with actual working armor. These actually shoot little projectiles that you hit the other person's vehicle, which then you score a hit. And that's how you win. And my favorite is the spider, which is this one right here. Okay, that's the spider. And that's this one right here. It's really cool. It's got like 8 legs. And you paint them. It's really fun to paint because you can do it in about a day. And then it comes with a battlefield. Right here is the battlefield. You snap it together and it looks like that. And it comes with all your men and then complete instructions. These are the battle cards, okay? So as you take hits, you move your battle indicator along this chart here, which then when you get down to 0, then you're destroyed, okay? But you have weapons, you have strength, a dice. It can be either a dice or shooting with the little projectiles. Okay, and this thing sold for $59.99. That was the retail on it. My price is phenomenal. Check ProTinkerToys.com. Robogear, the game, the box set game. This is the unboxing of Robogear, the box set game. ProTinkerToys.com. Don't forget to subscribe and to like us.